We have farming, we have fruits. Look at this is amazing. What's up people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and you will find scripts. Click there and just click on Blox Fruits. And now guys, we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So go to your profile official of your Roblox, okay, and just copy your profile link. It's super easy. Let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, just paste it and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So the next step is to answer for this question. Okay, do you have Delta executor? No. Import the newest? Yes. And select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. The best scripts is Nicius, so just click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox Fruits, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and remove websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete those simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. The app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these two tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. And let's see the next step. Nice guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the check. Blox Fruits scripts are important to your account, guys. So excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually works. Let's see guys. Okay, let me play Blox Fruits and let's see guys. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and as you can see we have this panel. So click on home button and just execute Nicius script and let's wait a little bit. And guys, as you can see, boom, look at this, all these features have been added successfully. We have farming, we have fruits. Look at this is amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.